Hello boys and girls. Now that we've got our snowflake going, now we can change some things. So I started out with repeating 10 times, changing it 36. Okay, so I could change this to, let's do 6. I'm going to repeat it 6 times, and then I want to do 60. So remember, as long as this equals 360, then you can change the design, and it always goes all the way around. So any two numbers from your repeat and the turn. So you're not talking about the repeat of the branches, how much the star goes out, but you repeat how many times you do the branch and how many times. So you could even, I've done this before where I've changed it to 180. I know that sounds like a lot. And then I'm going to turn it 2 degrees because that's 180 times 2 is 360. So now when I hit play, it does it closer together, but it's going to give this really cool design when it gets all the way across. And if you only wanted to do a half circle, you could have these two numbers equal 180. If you wanted to do a quarter, you could equal these two numbers equal 90. So as you see, it's kind of making a really, really cool design here. And it takes a little bit longer because it has to go all the way around 180 times. And it's so close together, you can't even really see that they're stars, but it looks really, really cool. The other thing that you can do to change this up, instead of move 15 steps, maybe you want to move 30 steps. So do you see how it makes it even longer? Or maybe you want to have this be a shorter, and maybe you only want to have it move 5 steps. So then that would make a shorter snowflake or a shorter design. There are lots of different combinations. If you are on your slideshow, I have given you several different combinations that you could try. So here's several combinations that equal 360. To make a snowflake, you want it to be 6 times 60 to have the 6 branches. A half circle, the repeats times the turn equals 180, the quarter circle equals 90. So I've kind of given you this in your slideshow to help you make some of those things. And you can change how big it is, you can change how much it is, you can change your weights, you can change your turns, you can change your colors. So it's all just depends on how you want this project to look. So I hope you have a great time making your snowflakes.